jumbalika, jumbala, jumbale. Hey! Jumbalika, jumbalika, jumbala, jumba. Jumbale, 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 le. Good morning, friends! Here I am today. We are going to the park. So I just wanted to take a little bag with me. I don't want a big ass bag.
So are you
Guys,
excited?
Yeah, we're going to the park, y'all. So join us.
I'm
We are
too excited. I'm just, when we get there, I'm going to show you my most favorite part about the jelly belly.
Okay, guys, see you guys at the park.
Bye.
Stay tuned. Well, guys, so we are here at the park. So it's a hot, sunny day.
This is the best one. Please.
Good morning, good evening, and good night. Yes. Welcome. Fine summer day. We are exercising in midst of nature. Let's go.
Yeah, there is but little playground. Just a tree.
It's very windy day. Yay! Musical creation.
Like that.
Are you guys enjoying with us on this lovely day? Woo! Spider-Man! You become so tall, little one. Little man.
I'm going to fly to
You become tall. Tall!
so big.
So they're gonna climb up this mountain.
The mountain of slimes.
Come on! I didn't go slowly. Just Grisha's coming too. Go slowly. Make sure she's okay. It's easy for Aryan now, but 2 years ago it was not the easiest. How are you going, Grisha? Aryan, wait for her. It's very adventurous.
I want to look at that picture.
Come on!
Don't give up. I'll help you.
Don't look down, just look up.
Yeah.
Almost there.
Too high.
So close.
Hold my hand. I'll help you.
So close. Come on. So close, Grisha.
Wait, step up there. Over there.
Aryan, hold her. Hold her.
I think it's too high. Come on, you can do this. Just
You go up. Let's see.
come.
And be careful.
I'm always careful. Can you go down?
Yeah.
Oh,
He's going up.
too small that I'll fall. I get down.
You also can't go up.
Huh?
You're stuck. Or you're going up.
I'm going to try. It's not like my first time being here.
Yeah, it's not your first time. You made it up there with Bella once. You should have tried, Grisha. Look. It was not too far.
I did it.
Too high.
Yes.
Almost. Stand up there. And be careful. Yay! Yay! Woo! Oh yeah!
I did it!
Your legs and all have become too long. Yeah, Grisha, she's tall is hanging.
I already reached the top.
In 2 years, Grisha, 2 years. Because 2 years back he couldn't do this.
I know.
Miss, I think he did it last
I
year.
can do this.
Look at them hanging. You should have gone on the opposite side. Only then it will turn. Yeah, go to the opposite side. Waza. Fantastic and fantabulous. Okay? Yay! Oh, look at these trees, y'all. Tall. Oh, there. The kids are having a little break because we parents are so slow. We ladies are slow to catch up. We are changing location, guys. So hot inside the car, but we are going to the other park because they have the community herb garden, and myself and my friend Nirali, we want to pluck curry leaves because our stock is over. So we're going there to pluck curry leaves and some herbs, and the kids can go to the playground and have a
Then another
playtime.
playground from the
There are
library.
2 playgrounds there. So see you guys there. Guys, this is the community herb citrus garden. See, you can make tulsi juice, and look at our curry leaf tree. It was a little tree, now he's grown. He's grown like a victorious gentleman waiting to be plucked. So we are going to pluck, cook fresh curry leaves. I just put them in the freezer.
Yeah, me too.
It's good. We are going to officially smell like curry. Thank you, Australian curry leaf tree. Ooh, he's dancing in the wind. It's become useful for all of us.
Thank you for curry leaf. I don't need to buy for.
You can take the whole tree.
No. I can't fit. It can't fit in my freezer. This much is enough, so I
You
can
can grow
in
it.
this Ziploc.
This tree wasn't here, maybe I would have grown my own. But because this tree is here, I've been just coming and plucking from this tree.
Yeah, that's good idea.
So guys, whoa,
That's enough.
look at the curry leaves we got.
Let's go out. Come on, guys.
Yeah,
Let's
lot
go
of
and
curry.
leave it in the-
Can hear a lot of birds chirping in this garden. Everything here is herbs.
What are you? What?
So all these are different herbs, just we don't know the names. So this is the passion fruit.
Yeah, that
See
is
guys,
the most.
passion fruit. It's not ripe yet, so we can't pluck. If it was, we could pluck.
That's big one.
You can see the thing, and this is pumpkin, I think. This will take a long time to come up. Passion fruits, flower. Guys, I also plucked some of these. So these ones you can take the seeds of these flowers and regrow it. Some passion fruit, they're not ripe, but I'm still gonna see if it will ripen, and a lime and a little bit of, I think that's lavender. Oh, actually, that's not lavender. This is lavender. This is not lavender, this is rosemary actually. Look at these guys, nature walk. We are doing the nature walk.
Where is the other? Oh, yes, they are playing in here.
It's good to feel grounded.
My scooter. Mommy!
Hmm?
Swing up.
You can swing by yourself.
Yeah, I can. Don't push very high. Because you're bad. No, it's because this thing's heavy.
Swing is heavy.
I'm stronger. After my exercise this morning.
What exercise in the morning?
I did exercise in the morning, don't you even remember?
Give your bag. only have one mother. Don't put me down.
Oh. That is being heavy. I can't push.
Come on.
I'm going to the top. It's too heavy.
Woo, but it's still going.
I can push harder.
Just relaxing. We are relaxing.
I will push. I'm strong. That's because there's only two.
Don't make me fly away. Enjoy the
I should stop it.
We are all people. Oh,
Alright. Sit down. Let's do it slowly.
Hold tight your.
You want to go fast or do you want high or not? Low. Like high or low? So not high. You're going great. You can. I want to eat the belly. I'm gonna push. Okay. Get up. Okay. So get ready to push it high, please. Sit down. Oh, fine. I want to eat the belly.
You know, if you go in Cooper's Bay, there is a Indian restaurant,
If you want to slow, then it will be like this. Now that's enough. You want to slow, then that's slow. Ha 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 ha. That's slow enough for you. Bye.
Grisha, why can't you sit? Wow, that's too high. Too high.
I'm
Too high.
Whee!
Oh, be careful.
We're both doing this.
So adventurous.
So we can be cool.
Don't fall down though, coolies.
Well, we'll never fall down. We have
It won't
super
be
jacket
cool.
grip.
Whoa, this is good. Yeah, I like the speed. The speed is good.
My shoes is hard. My shoes is too soft.
It's not too fast. It's not too slow. Now it's slowly
It needs
getting
to
a
be
bit slow.
slower. It needs to be faster.
Yo, yo. Yo, yo. We are cool people.
Put your hands out. Like this.
Look at me, habibi. Bleh, bleh.
Whee! I'm so cool now because I've been in my place. Whoa!
So you're 8 years old. I'm 10 years old.
No,
and you're 5 years
no,
old.
you're 32 years old.
I'm not 33.
You are 2 years old. Why? You are 2 years old. Okay, then I'll say you're 0 years old.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Now, it's push. This is so hard. Do you want faster? Yeah. Alright. Let's do some rocket.
Rocket? It's not a rocket.
I mean, let's rock it out.
We are rocking the rocket. Whoa, Grisha, don't fall down.
Grisha, stop now. It's too fast.
You're getting too adventurous.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh, I'm in the middle of 2 monkeys.
Faster.
No.
I'm wolful, so you're in the middle of one wolf and one monkey. Faster. This is too slow. I'll push.
Love and light to the world.
Stay there.
Get on. Alright. Whee!
He cut your hair different, Aryan.
Oh yeah.
I cut it yesterday for him.
You cut it?
I'm the hair cutter in my house. Even my hair I cut. I color
You cut by
everything.
yourself?
I color. I
We
cut.
give a dog. She gives a dog a haircut too.
Oh, I need to come for Grisha's haircut to you.
Grisha, I will cut your hair for you.
I already have a haircut.
Salon and we got her haircut and
Okay,
they
get
made
on,
me
get
haircut
Grisha.
He's just helping. Okay, I'm there. More higher. Woo. More higher. Get on. We're going more higher. Woo. Woo.
God. Nirale. Hey, not too high. Oh my God. Why am I alone on this? Get on. Ah.
I am.
Oh my God, be careful.
I will be the pusher. Scoop. Scoop. Oh. Yeah. Woo. Why are you doing like that?
Because we are flying.
I'm doing like this.
So don't forget,
Yeah.
you are 8
Very, 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 very,
I am
very,
10
very high.
and Grisha is 5.
Whee! Woo! I'm
Yes.
gonna make it go higher.
I'm not an auntie anymore, Grisha. I'm only
Very,
10.
very, very high. You are a kid.
I'm just a little kid.
Now you are 1 year old. Too small.
My age is decreasing, not increasing. Oh, that's too fast. No. I'm not enjoying this speed. I'm not enjoying.
Grisha, don't push too hard.
Yeah.
Just slow.
Yeah, let's relax and enjoy.
You are more higher. Enjoy. Higher. Yes. Higher. But he said more higher.
Thank you. Thank you for joining our show. Look at me, baby. Boop, boop.
I'm going to stop. Okay, you another one?
When are we going to go to the park?
Like a bird. Now,
Okay, get on!
wait, stop this. I don't know how to
I will
stop.
push harder!
No.
Stop!
No, we have to stop it.
Okay, fine, now stop!
Stopping in style. Yeah.
I'm stronger than ever!
Oh my God, that was a bumpy ride. Guys, that was a bumpy ride. It's good to be a kid again. I'm enjoying it. Thank you. Thank you to the playground. Getting, breaking my bones and muscles.
Can we eat jellies? Jelly?
My legs feel like jelly. My legs. Oh, that's such a nice color. I like it. I had a nail polish.
It's a
that
nice
color.
material.
Yeah.
Soft.
Guys, look at this. This is a jelly.
I'm not
Depending on the
patient.
wheel, you get to eat the jelly where this wheel falls in. There are different flavors. So there's liver and onion flavor. Cappuccino. I wouldn't mind cappuccino. Old bandage. I don't want old bandage. Pomegranate, rotten egg, butter, popcorn flavor, toothpaste flavor, berry blue, bath. I don't know what a bath is. Peach, stink bug, toasted marshmallow, booger, juicy pear. I don't mind having juicy pear, but more than the good ones, there's stinky ones and
Mama,
the
this
bad
is
ones.
chocolate. This
Dry
is
dishwasher.
white and chocolate.
Dry dishwasher. How does that even taste like? My goodness. I mean, not dry dishwasher, dirty dishwasher. Yo, I don't want to taste a dirty dishwasher.
I can do it. Oh,
Birthday cake.
that was so well.
Stinky socks.
I'm not.
Tutti
I can
frutti.
dance.
That's what I'm looking forward to. Tutti frutti.
Oh.
Dead fish. Yes, a jelly bean that tastes like dead fish. And strawberry banana smoothie.
I need some help.
Here you go. Good luck with eating the rotten bandage.
She's tired.
Yeah, my man.
Maybe you're being.
My man.
I'm strong. She doesn't have any friends.
I'm stronger.
Boys, I think boys stronger than girls.
No, who said it?
Yeah,
Like
we
both,
girls
like,
have girl
Girls
power.
are very strong than boys.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Whoa.
Yeah.
Don't you think so, Grisha? You're stronger than
Yeah.
I
Grisha is very
Yeah.
strong.
Yeah.
Look her muscles.
Look at the muscle.
Look at my muscle.
But Grisha is bigger than yours.
Yes, a big. Look, it's growing.
I don't see any. Oh, let's go.
Let's go.
Hey,
No, wait.
stop. Stop. One day, then whole week I'm thinking.
I remember this place where we kept our dog walking.
Is that a banana? Nana.
Nice walking.
Can bring the
They
dog
have
for a
roundabout.
walk.
Grisha, they
Yeah.
have roundabout. Finish?
So when I spin it, then but the dog is out of it.
It can't be. Stay there. It can.
I don't know.
It's on the ground. So.
I'm ready to eat the rest tomorrow. Everything again, but I don't want to try.
But you don't have shoes. Your toes will be hurt.
Ah, so sweet.
You need to put the shoes on. Come on.
What are you doing? Wow, it's a breezy. It's very windy, breezy.
Okay, can we go? Home? You don't want to go home? I know you want to play a lot.
Kids love to play.
Let's play ball springs. So she's supposed to catch me.
Guys, some cherries.
So I can sitting and eating.
Eating, snacking. We enjoyed, that's the main thing. We can do that. providing us. Yay! Whee! Whee! Together we swing like monkeys from tree to tree and branch to branch like Tarzan and Mowgli.
Yeah, because I told you, because there's a baby swing, that's why you need to push.
You need to work hard on the baby diaper swing. It's like a diaper. It's like an underwear.
We're gonna do the prank. Wait, stop.
What are you doing? She's gonna get my new dress wet.
It's already wet.
But I like getting wet.
Oh my
You like
goodness.
Okay, you can fill up the water bottle.
God, adventurous monkeys.
I thought it's not.
Shove a little bit, like for fun.
Yeah.
I don't know, she's going to take the whole damn thing and pluck. Here she's coming. Yeah, Grisha's coming. Wow. Oh my God. Shower in the rain. Wow. Rain shower in the swing. That was one more bottle. Wet and wild, y'all. Wet and wild. These kids are wet and wild.
Yeah. Then we need
Oh, it's coming! Grisha's coming! Oh, that was quick. Boom! That bottle,
Now
that
no
bottle,
more. Now no more.
that bottle's got, look at the state of the
Now
bottle.
is all
Become like a papadam. Look at these kids.
come.
Oh my God, look at that.
Come.
Now what are you going to do?
Yeah, come here. No,
No, my God.
No more, no more. No.
Dry up, dry one.
No.
Do you like it? Yeah, but I don't want any more.
See, we go.
These two are adventurous, y'all. Adventurous.
I'm 8. I told you to say 7. No one's 8. 7.
Now we want to go home.
8.
Time to go home. Time to go home. The fun is getting over for today. See you guys later.
How old is she?
Ooh,
My mom is 32.
No, I'm 33.
I'm 35.
And I'm going to be 34 next year.
I'm 35.
She's like my big sister. By 2 years.
Yeah, something awesome.
Everybody, street library. We don't know what it is for.
Told you, wait.
So guys, so the car smells like curry leaf. We are going to have pizza. So join us while we go get some pizza. So guys, we reached Domino's. So yeah guys, Domino's. Guys, at the moment we are at the secret dungeon in Bunnings warehouse. Yes, it's a secret dungeon.
Wow, these are all sophisticates.
We came looking for the toilets and we landed in the secret dungeon of Bunnings.
This is the bronze
The places we explore, the places we find.
But all of these colors are just
The wall of fame of Bunnings.
No.
You want to eat some grapes? Do you? Look at that everybody, sunflowers growing in the middle of the road. Sunflowers. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Look at them
You just say
stuffing in.
this is pizza.
Supreme.
What? You can come closer.
I come to the closet.
Look at the little ones. They're ordering their own pizza.
It's not ready. It's not ready. That's sorry. That's what I said.
Not yet. Be patient.
Oh, I'm starving. They said, "What's my name? What's my name?" I keep saying your name, and then they said, "Oh, no, ready." But then I said it one more time, and then I realized it was you. So then they said, "Okay, it's ready."
Yeah.
Okay, we will go.
Yay.
Oh, viewer treat.
Close, sit close.
A little gang. Free. We got pizza.
Hope all of you enjoyed this video. What a nice lovely day. It was quite windy, it was quite sunny weather conditions, but it's nice to be out and about. It's good for your root chakra. Like a psychic guy told me recently, I need to work on my root chakra. So because of that, even in my shopping bag, I bought like parsnips, turnips, potatoes, carrots, all root vegetables that grow underground in the root. So do a free chakra test in between on Google and see which chakras of yours are blocked, and change your diet and see how it's affecting you physically and emotionally. I need to be grounded more because I've been very flighty, so I can feel it. So I'm going to ground myself out in nature these coming days, and that's what we did today as well. So stay tuned for my next videos, guys. God willing, I will see you before New Year, or I will see you after New Year, or I will see you on New Year. We don't know. Love you. Bye bye.